Hi, I'm Catherine from Organized by Catherine. If you're like most Canadians, you probably have a cupboard full of supplements and vitamins that you had good intentions to take, but you're just not taking them. Today, I'm going to show you a trick that will make sure that you take your daily vitamins and get your money's worth. So what you'll need is a Sharpie, and you'll need a small container, a little plastic one or a glass one. Plastic works better for every member of your family that's taking vitamins. And what you do is you put their initial using the Sharpie on the bottom of the container, and then the person in the morning who gets to the kitchen first can put all the vitamins in everybody's container, and that way you leave it in the kitchen, and as people come into the kitchen during the day, they'll be reminded to take their supplements and vitamins. If you need help organizing any area of your home or small business, please check out my website, organizedbycatherine.ca.